The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2024 Nissan Frontier with a short bed. We've just installed the Retrax Pro XR retractable bed cover. So the Pro signifying that this is the heavier duty aluminum slat model, and the XR signifying that it has the accessory rails that run along the sides, front to back. And that allows you to attach different types of racks and accessories to the cover. So a great option for not only securing your gear, but also being able to carry cargo on the top, which you can't get with most bed covers. So the cover can be stopped anywhere along the length of the rail. Of course, locks are included. It clamps onto the side bed rails. Holes do need to be produced into the bulkhead for the drain tubes from the canister, but a pretty simple process on this truck. So yeah, a great option when installed correctly. Does a fantastic job at keeping your contents dry. Full operation of the tailgate is retained with the cover included. So the cover can be open or closed and still full operation. So shop favorite around here. Like I said, it does work with different types of racks and accessories, whether you want high systems, low systems, or even mid systems, lots of different options. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this cover with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.